Welcome our viewers. We want to look at quadratic equation, the last part of the complete the square method, but one part whereby we have a greater than or less than 1. For example, where you find a is not equal to 1, but where you find that a is either not equal to 1 or if a is greater than 1 or a is less than 1. Now look at an equation here, negative 2x squared plus 16x plus 14. And use a plus 14 there or a minus 14. Let's put a minus here. Put a minus 14 equals to 0. Now, let's look at what happens to this equation. Now, when there is a greater than or less than 1, then we can say to solve this one, we have to divide it through first by negative 2 over negative 2 over negative 2 over negative 2. What do we find here? This will be x squared minus 8x. Then this one is plus 7 equals to 0. From here, we have our normal equation, and we have come back to the one we are solving to complete the square method, where now a is 1. Now, from this case, we have to add our c here, negative 8x. We add our c, but this one we take on the other side. Then c, a plus, becomes a minus when it crosses the equal sign. From here, I can find c. How do we find c? Is b over 2. Then I square, I get my c. What does that give me? It tells me that b is negative 8 over 2. Then I square negative 8 over 2. That's what we get c. And therefore, negative 8 over 2 is negative 4 squared is 16. So this one will be x squared minus 8x plus 16 equals to 16 minus 7. When I'm done like that, I'll have x squared minus 8x plus 16 equals to what? 9. Now I said this equation, this is a perfect square, it will solve to b over 2, then square, which will be 9. Now b over 2, what's my b? My b here is negative 8. So this one will go up to x minus, these are plus or minus 8 over 2. Then I square, I get 9. Now what do I get here? It is x minus, this is of course a plus times a minus. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Then I will square, will give me equal to what? To 9 here. Now from there, I square root both sides to get x and minus 4, we will square root of that. 9 is either plus or a minus. Then x minus 4 equals to plus minus 3. And from there is x equals to plus minus 3. This goes inside, becomes a plus 4. Therefore, my x is equals to what? I put it on the other side, plus 3, then plus 4. Or I can have b negative 3 plus 4. This plus is x equals to 7, or this one is negative, this plus 1, this plus 1. Therefore, instead of this or, this x will be equal to, they are just 7 and in fact 1. The two numbers are 7 and 1 when you have done this one. Therefore, if you substitute these letters in this equation, you will find that they are equating to 0 in that my equation here. You find that our solution to the quadratic equation of this form will be 7 and 1. That's how you can solve complete the square method, whereby a is more